Hello TVUSD family. Thank you so much for joining me on this summer edition right here. We're at Margarita Middle School and I'm with Scott Kasper, who is our construction coordinator for our facilities department. We're going to go ahead and we're going to walk you through, and he's going to talk about some of the projects and the things going on throughout the district. So Scott, thanks for joining me.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So Scott, tell me about your background and what interested you kind of in the construction field and working in facilities.
Well, my background, my father was an electrician, master electrician, and I worked for him for quite a few years. And then when he decided to retire, I was put in a position where it's like, I got to find a job. And
that's a good thing.
It is.
Yeah.
And so it prompted me to get my contractor's license.
In our conversation prior to this, you worked at MSJC for 21 years.
Yes, ma'am.
What drew you to Temecula Valley Unified?
Well, after being there for 21 years, I knew that I had a lot more to offer. And instead of being tucked in the corner in an office, I wanted to be back out here.
And how long have you been with us?
3 years and a month.
3 years and a month.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Well, we do love having you here.
Love being here.
So many people, Scott, think during the summertime that schools go to sleep, right? The teachers are off, some of our administrators are off, but this is not a slow time for you. So this is the busy time.
Correct.
Tell us what that looks like throughout the organization.
Well, we start planning early before the summertime gets here. There's a lot of planning, pre-planning that goes into place. With, getting contractors on board, getting architects on board to get our design done. So when summertime hits, we hit the ground running.
You do, and this is really your busy time.
It is.
What are I know we're here at Margarita kind of going to talk about some of the things happening here, but what are some other schools that are getting some major work done this summer?
Well, the major work, we have Nicholas Valley Elementary. We're doing a full building there.
Okay.
The groundwork is starting there right now.
Okay.
Is underway.
Great.
And we have Temecula Elementary School. It's in its increment 2, under construction right now.
Okay.
Doing some work to the admin building in the 12 and 15 plex over there.
Okay.
And then at Chaparral, we have a new scoreboard going in there.
Okay.
We have a new scoreboard going in at Temecula Valley High School as well. And we have a shade structure going up at Bella Vista Middle School.
That's fantastic.
And 2 shade structures going in over at Temecula Valley High School. So.
And those are super helpful in this 100-degree heat,
It is.
Isn't it? So, Scott, I think we're actually standing in a place right now where there's going to be an amphitheater here.
Correct.
At Margarita Middle. Can you tell us a little bit about that? Because I know that was really part of the modernization that was happening here.
Well, I think it was a place to give students some extra lunch area for one, but I mean a place that it can be used as a learning space too, that has some shade in the outdoors, fresh air, and used for their own events here.
Yeah, I think it's going to be amazing when it's done, just seeing kind of the schematics of it. And then can you talk about what's happening over here as well with all of the classrooms and the concrete going in? Well,
yeah, right now today, as you can see, we're pouring concrete, putting the sidewalks back. This is a project that's considered a modernization, and we're doing a refresh, to say, in the 12 plex over here, doing some new finishes. We are renovating the MPR. We're upgrading the fire alarm system.
Yeah.
For years, maintenance and operations had an issue with the storm drain here, that there were just from age that there were sections that were collapsing.
Okay.
So we took this as an opportunity to replace the storm drain out to the street, and that kind of takes a worry off of them.
Okay. That's fantastic. So there's a lot of activity going on
here.
We're
also doing roof work and HVAC on the building as well.
And it's all those things behind the scenes that sometimes people don't realize are so important to having a school function well and a safe place for kids to be. From a facility standpoint, a construction standpoint, what's the message you would want to convey to everybody who's watching, to our families and to our staff?
Well, I would say in facilities development, we are dedicated, to wanting a place to have our students be able to go, to be comfortable, to be cool, to be clean, and to have a positive learning environment for them, where they don't have to worry about their surroundings. They're cool in the summertime, they're warm in the wintertime, and they have the technology that they need to learn.
Yeah. And I think that's the most important part, is that, Temecula Valley Unified, as of so many school districts, it really takes an entire village to really create amazing school and an amazing school district and a community to want to send their kids to. So Scott, our district serves over 27,000 students. We have 29 school sites, even outside of the district office in different buildings. The facilities department, I'm going to ask you a little bit about that, because my understanding is a facility department is only 5 people.
That's correct. We're, as has been said, we're a mighty team of 5. And
yeah.
That includes that we have an energy manager, we have 2 admins that take care of, they're really the kind of our backbone. They keep the paperwork moving, and they do so much.
Yeah.
And then Amber is our leader.
And that's pretty powerful, knowing 5 people are really in charge of that construction piece for so many school sites in terms of creating what we talked about, especially during the summertime, getting ready for kids to come back in school. So I just want to thank you for your time today. I truly want to thank you for walking me around, giving all the families out there a lay of the land. And I think one of the things that our community loves is our safe and really beautiful facilities we have. So thank you on behalf of me and the entire community and our staff for the work that you do.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Thank you.